Understanding inline twist in English. Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Are you ready to unravel the meaning of inline twist? Great! This phrase can be quite intriguing, and today we're going to explore its meaning and usage in English. Let's get started. The phrase, inline twist, often refers to a sudden and unexpected change within a series or a process that was otherwise straight or consistent. Imagine you're following a straight line and suddenly, there's a twist. That's what this phrase encapsulates. It's not commonly used in everyday conversation but can be found in more specific contexts like sports, writing, or technical descriptions. Let's see inline twist in action. For instance, in a story, an inline twist might be a plot twist that takes readers by surprise. In physical activities, like yoga, it could refer to a literal twist in alignment during a sequence of movements. Understanding how it's used in a sentence can make its meaning clearer. The movie had an inline twist that left the audience in shock. During the dance routine, there was an inline twist that added excitement. You might use the phrase, inline twist, when you want to describe a scenario where a straightforward process or narrative includes a surprising or unconventional turn. It's a descriptive way to highlight a change in pattern that's not necessarily disruptive but certainly unexpected. That's it for today's lesson on the phrase, inline twist. We hope this video has illuminated this interesting expression for you. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to throw your own inline twists into conversations to keep them engaging. Until next time, happy learning!